Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. It is a chilly morning here in November, and today we are making a turkey. But we're not making this in just your traditional, we're just gonna fry a turkey or we're just gonna smoke a turkey. No, we're gonna combine those two things and today do a smo-fried turkey. I recently made some smo-fried wings here on the channel. They were some of the best that I've ever had, and today we're doing that on our turkey. This is going to be perfect for the holiday season, and I can't wait to show you the process, so let's get started. All right, now just as I've done in previous years, I used this bucket called the briner. This bucket is really handy, and it allows me to make sure that my turkey stays submerged. I use the same brine as I used in last year's turkey video. I'll drop a link to that below so that you can see exactly what the ingredients are. It's very simple to make. And now this turkey has been brining for 24 hours. You could go up to 48 hours depending on the size of your turkey. We're doing a 14-pound turkey today, so 24 hours is perfect. So let's get this opened up and take a look. All right, you see some garlic in there. Ooh, it smells great. Let's take this paddle out. This is what helps to keep that turkey submerged. And I'm gonna go in here and grab it, and we're gonna go right onto our rack. All right. Now we're gonna dispose of this brining liquid. We don't need that anymore. It has done its job. And here is our brined turkey. And before I do any sort of seasoning to this, I want to rinse it to get all of that excess brining liquid off there, and I want to dry it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take it inside, rinse it, dry it, and then we'll be back. All right, so this turkey has dried out nicely. There's going to be some moisture left in it. I'm not really concerned about that. But the key is just getting all of that brine off so that it's not like super salty. So my seasoning of choice for this bird today is going to be Meat Church Holy Voodoo. I love this seasoning. I use it on my Nashville hot chicken sandwiches that I make. I've used it on a lot of different stuff. It's great on vegetables. I love it on asparagus. And this is what we're going to use on our turkey today. Now, because of that residual moisture that's in there, we don't need to really worry about a binder or anything like that because, like I said, there is going to be some moisture left, so that's not going to be a huge deal. And I'm going to be pretty generous with my seasoning here because this is a big bird and it can take a lot of seasoning. Now this Holy Voodoo is also going to give us some really great color, especially when we fry this turkey. Now because there is salt in this rub, we are going to pull a little bit more of that moisture out of this, which is fine because that's actually going to help the seasoning to really adhere nicely. All right, so I'm going to let this sit here for probably about 10 minutes or so and really start to sweat. And then I'm going to apply more Holy Voodoo to really just get it to lock in. And then we're going to go right to the smoker. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. You can see that moisture has started to really be pulled out of that bird, especially right here on the top and on the sides. Before we put it in the smoke, just one more little coating of that Holy Voodoo. And really, I'm just focusing now on the parts where it did kind of separate out whenever that moisture got pulled out. All right, there we go. And we are ready for the smoke. All right, I'm smoking today at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using the Applewood blend pellets from Pit Boss, and I'm smoking today on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. And let's get that right on there. One more time, a little bit of voodoo. Get all those spots in there. Oh, it's gonna be so good. All right, now I'm gonna let this sit here for about 2 hours. Nothing else I need to do to it. I'm looking for kind of it to get to a nice color that I really like. And then we're gonna fry it. But for now, let's just say we're gonna get it up to maybe like 120 internal or so in the breast. We never wanna check it in this back portion or in the dark meat because that's always gonna be hotter. So the biggest part of the breast, we're gonna check it. We want it to be about 125 or so. And then we're gonna pull it and fry it. So we're gonna let this sit in the smoke for a couple of hours, and I'm gonna get my oil ready, and then we'll be back to be ready to fry it. All right, so it's been about 40 minutes on my turkey. Let's go ahead and just take a quick peek here. Woo! Look at that. Now I know I said I wasn't really gonna do anything else to it, but you know what? I was wrong. I'm actually going to add some butter. So I'm gonna come back every 45 minutes or so and just baste this with a little bit of butter. And this is gonna give it some real real delicious flavor, but also it's gonna help with the color and the flavor of the skin. So just like that, I'm gonna come back, like I said, about every 45 minutes and do that once more. All right, we are a little over 2 hours into this cook. You can probably hear my turkey fryer going in the background. So let's take a look at this incredible turkey. Oh man, look at that. Look at that color. Woo! Man, is that gonna be good. All right, I checked my temperature here and we are ready for the fryer. All right, the oil on my Loco cooker is at 350 degrees. That's exactly where I want it for this turkey. And now it's time to drop it in. So I'm gonna turn off the gas. You definitely want to turn off the gas before you do this, just in case something were to flare up. And now we'll go in very slowly. Like that. Grab our lid here, put that back on. And now we're going to let that cook until the internal temp is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Can I just tell you that already this smells unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now you may notice here that the temperature is dropping. That's because we just put something that was not as hot inside it. So we're gonna wait for that temperature to come back up to 350. I'm gonna start that back up now, and then we'll kind of regulate it from there. So let's give it a check. Oh man, I wish that you could smell this. Go in. Oh, look at that color. Let's see here. 151. 159. So we are almost done. So let's go in and give it a little bit longer and we'll be ready to take it out. All right, friends, our time in the oil is over, and look at the color of that. Look at that color, just look at it. Man, that smell too is just absolutely next level. Wow. All right, sorry for the light. Let's just get that out of the way. Can't really deal with that right now, but I do want to see what's going on inside. Oh, you hear that? Crispy. Just gonna go right in here into the breast. Oh man, look at that white meat. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. Okay, at long last, after smoking, after frying, it's time for trying this incredible smoked turkey. It looks insane, it smells amazing, and I cannot wait. I really can't wait to get a bite of the skin. Oh, here we go. Smo-fried turkey. Crunch. Oh, more crunch. Oh my gosh, the flavor. Woo! Okay, listen, I'm gonna throw a statement at you. I don't take this lightly. This is the best turkey I've ever had, ever, in my entire however many years of life. Best turkey ever. Listen, if you've had fried turkey before, this is better. Smo-fried turkey is better. I'm here to say it. Smoke the turkey for a couple of hours, then throw it in your deep fryer till it reaches 165. It will be the best turkey you've ever had. And that is the Holy Smokes guarantee. Well, happy holidays to you, whether you're watching this around Thanksgiving or Christmas or anything else. Happy holidays. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video here on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, check out last year's turkey video that I made. It is right here in this video. Check that out. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you next time.